try to understand here. When we are saying we are qualifying the alarm whether this is valid or not valid, IPL or not IPL is not giving any ranking of P1, P2, P3. This three column is saying whether this alarm is valid alarm or not valid alarm. Please do not misunderstand. Guru, you understand what I'm saying? We are saying yes here.
Okay.
Yeah. We are saying yes here, yes here. It is not giving priority. It is saying whether this is a valid alarm or not valid alarm.
Okay.
If you have taken in the seal as IPL, so we have to put simply yes. So if any in this three column, if you get one S, it is valid alarm. So it is qualifying this is valid or not valid, right?
Okay.
This does not have any relation with P1, P2, P3.
I agree. No, what I informed is separate than this.
Yeah.
Okay, you proceed. I'll continue. Yeah.
Yeah. For
No, but just one question here. To the chairman and the team. If say we as a team decide this alarm is P2 rather than P1, what effect it will have on to the operation or the corrective action by the operator? Do it have any kind of effects?
Yes, yes. P1 means it is a high category alarm. The operator has to react immediately because it does not have. It's a very urgent alarm.
And what about P2, sir?
P2 has some time, 10 to 15 minutes response time. See here, if you see here response time.
It is already mentioned the edges. You can go through it, please. Yeah. See here.
Okay.
So please, the question is, I again reiterate, Guru, let us not misunderstand. Here, this column, this three column, what you are seeing, this doesn't have any effect on the priority. This is saying whether this is a valid alarm or not valid alarm. So far, we have seen this all are valid alarm, right? Valid alarm does not mean it is a P3 or P1. So to qualify P1 or P3, we have to see this one, response time. We have to see the consequence, and we have to see this one. These two criteria, these two column is only important column to qualify P1, P2. Guru, I hope you understand, right?
Yeah, understood, Chairman. Now
So,
what you want to do? Yeah, now what you want to do? Yes.
No,
You want to follow the azab? You want to follow the azab. You want to follow the azab.
See,
and what is the criteria now? Yeah, tell me.
No. We should not 100% follow the hijab. We should revisit and we need to correct here. It is a consequence of not taking action on alarm. This consequence is not taking action on